Friendsgiving isn't just another dinner, it's a celebration of connection, gratitude, and style. The right decor sets the tone, turning a simple meal into a warm, welcoming experience. From cozy lighting to thoughtful details, let's explore how to make your Friendsgiving table and space feel festive, inviting, and full of heart. Today, we'll break it all down into 3 easy sections: setting the scene, designing the table, and adding personal touches. Whether you're hosting a small get-together or a big dinner with friends, these ideas will help you create an unforgettable Friendsgiving atmosphere. Start by shaping the mood of your space. Lighting, layout, and comfort are key to creating the perfect Friendsgiving setting. Think warm tones, layered textures, and cozy corners that invite everyone to relax and connect. Every element should make the room feel welcoming, from the way the seating flows to how the lighting softly glows. Focus on creating an atmosphere where conversation and laughter come naturally. What's your favorite part of Friendsgiving? The food, the decor, or just the company? Share your answer in the comments below. The table is the heart of Friendsgiving. It's where stories, laughter, and gratitude come together. Focus on balance and flow. Mix tones, textures, and layers to make it feel abundant yet effortless. Add dimension by playing with heights, colors, and soft accents. A well-composed table doesn't have to be complicated. It just needs intention and warmth. If these Friendsgiving decor ideas warmed your heart, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your favorite hosting buddy. What makes Friendsgiving memorable are the small, thoughtful touches that reflect your group's personality. Add meaningful elements that tell a story, something that feels uniquely yours. Even the smallest gesture, a thoughtful detail, a shared memory, or a creative display, brings warmth to the table. Friendsgiving Decor isn't about perfection, it's about celebrating the people who make it special. For more cozy holiday decor ideas and hosting inspiration, don't forget to subscribe and join our creative home community. And there you have it, a Friendsgiving celebration filled with heart, warmth, and creativity. By combining simple design choices with personal details, you've created a space that reflects what this season is truly about: gratitude, friendship, and togetherness. So, this Friendsgiving, take a moment to enjoy the beauty of your space and the company around your table. Because in the end, the best decor is the joy you share. Like, share, CTA.